How to hide likes on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. And now here, under Settings and Privacy, just tap on Settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down until you find the Preferences section. And now here, on the Preferences section, you can just tap on Reaction Preferences. And now here, you will see two important options. So first is to hide numbers of reaction on other people post and reels, and second is on your own post and reels. So here what you can do is you can simply turn on this both option, and with that your likes and reaction counts will be hidden. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.